How to hide your Instagram highlights from someone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now simply tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now click on search and make sure to update to the latest version. Simply tap on update. Now while the app is being updated, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. After updating, simply tap on open. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile. Now tap on following or followers. Now go to the user's profile. Now tap on following. Now tap on restrict. Now click on restrict. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.